If Discord is stuck on RTC connecting, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into voice chat as quickly as possible. We'll cover restarting Discord properly, power cycling your router, logging out and back in, turning off quality of service, and flushing your DNS. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you want to fully close Discord. A lot of people click the X in the corner and assume the app is closed, but Discord often keeps running in the background. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and S at the same time to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of apps and processes. Now look for Discord in the list, right-click it, and choose End Task. This fully shuts it down. Once that's down, reopen Discord and check if the RTC connecting issue is gone. If Discord is still stuck, the next thing to do is restart your internet connection. This is one of the easiest and most effective fixes. Go to your router and modem, if you have both, and unplug them from power. Leave them unplugged for about 30 seconds. This gives the network devices time to fully reset and clear temporary connection problems. After 30 seconds, plug them back in and wait for all the lights to come back online. Once your internet is restored, open Discord again and test your voice connection. Now let's try logging out and back into Discord. Sometimes your session can get stuck, and simply refreshing your login fixes the problem. In Discord, click the gear icon near your name to open user settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings menu and click Log Out. After that, sign back in with your account details. This can refresh your connection and clear out temporary account or voice session issues that may be causing the RTC error. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to disable quality of service, also known as QoS. Discord uses this feature to prioritize voice packets, but on some networks, it can actually cause connection issues. To turn it off, go back into User Settings, then click Voice and Video on the left panel. Scroll down until you find the Quality of Service section. Here you'll see a setting called Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. Toggle that off. After disabling it, fully restart Discord again and see if voice connects normally. The final fix in this tutorial is to flush your DNS. DNS problems can prevent Discord from connecting properly to voice servers, and clearing that cache can often solve the issue fast. To do this on Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD, and press Enter to open Command Prompt. When the black window appears, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. If it works, you'll see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close Command Prompt and restart Discord one more time. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the RTC connecting problem. In most cases, the issue is either a stuck Discord process, a network hiccup, or a voice setting that needs to be reset. If the problem is still happening after trying all of these steps, you may want to check if Discord is down, try a different network, or test whether the issue happens with other voice apps too. If this tutorial helped you fix Discord RTC connecting, please tap the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech support videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.